Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2026 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear step bumper, alloy wheels, tire pressure monitoring system, remote keyless entry, fog lights, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, trailering package, electronic stability control, brake assist. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.